Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 1.6 question number 3. Let us discuss question number 3. Number 1 is 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Here we will apply the formula that is a to the power m. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m plus n. We'll apply this formula, right? Here is base is same. Then we can write 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. If we add this one, 2, we take LCM as 15. Then we are getting 5 to the 10 plus 3. That is we are getting 2 to the power 13 by 15. 2 to the power 13 by 15. And that is the answer of question number 1. We'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 1 to the power 1 to the power 3 to the power 3 in bracket it is 7. Right? Here we can use this formula that a to the power m. You can use this formula that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n, a to the power m into n. Or you can use this formula as 1 by 3 to the power 3 into 7, 3 to the power 3 into 7. Or you can write it here as 1 by 3 to the power 21. Or you can use another formula that 1 by a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus n minus m. You can use this one, therefore we are getting 3 to the power minus 21 minus 21, and that is the answer of question number 2. We'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. Here we will use this formula that a by m. Here we will use this formula that a by m, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. We'll use this formula. Here we are getting 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, or we are getting 11 LCM. We are getting 2 4 as 4 as LCM, and 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, or we are getting 11. 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 to the power 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and that is the answer of question number 3. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is 7. Question number 4 is 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2 Both the powers are same. Therefore, we can use this formula as a to the power m into b to the power m b to the power m, that is equal to ab to the power m equal to ab to the power m. We'll apply this formula here. That means we are getting powers are same. Therefore we are getting 7 into 8 to the power 1 by 2, or we are getting 56 to the power 1 by 2, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.